Hello, good morning Christine and Alma ng Australia. Ayan. Sumakay kami sa Waymo Jaguar car. Okay, you see that? We are here in San Francisco.
Tingin ka rito, ma.
Of course, San Francisco, California, USA. Special shout out to all my subscribers at my YouTube channel, California Pinay Grandma, and to all my followers in my Facebook reels. No, okay. So let's have a quick tour here in San Francisco. Okay, hello Bibian, Corbita. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon. Papasyal ko kayo saglit dito. Ayan, pupunta tayo sa Imperial Spa. And look at that. Oh, the Jaguar car. Waymo. You see, there's a Jaguar sign. Yan, oh, nasa Manila. So, and guys, this is the first time I ride in this kind of car without a driver. Hello to all my brothers and sisters in the Philippines. Manong. Yan is Susan Edith. And to all my relatives and friends.
Color shape?
No, mommy.
Look at that.
Yung sa shampoo and conditioner mo, i-ask mo kung color shape
San Francisco.
Pwede nilang sabihin yes, mga Chinese yung di naaalala.
Okay, ikaw magsalita kasi.
Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to ride
Hindi nga
this
nila
kind
na.
of car.
Hindi sila.
Ikaw magsalita na ito yung i-use.
Okay.
Okay. So, ayan guys ha, para ko na rin kayo naisama sa pamamasyal ko dito sa San Francisco, California because hindi lahat ay nakakarating dito. So, yan ang isa sa purpose ng aking pagbablog. Ang maisama ko kayo sa aking pamamasyal. Kagaya nito, nakasakay kami sa car na walang driver. So, this is the first time I have experienced to ride in a car without a driver. It's a Jaguar car, guys.
Wow.
You see that? A Jaguar car. Mayroong sign, mayroong siyang logo, Jaguar. Oh my goodness, I can't believe. Look at that. It's very high-tech, guys. See? Oh my God. Thank you, Nak. At isinishare mo sa amin ang iyong mga blessings. Ayan. Nakasakay kami sa ganito. Thank you sa ating birthday celebrant for today.
Yeah, we wouldn't be here without you.
See that? Okay. Look at my beautiful granddaughter. My eldest granddaughter. Wow. My future. Alam mo na. Wow. Look at that. Your California Pinay grandma. She's really enjoying, no? At my age, 67 years old. And look at the leaves of the trees, guys. Oh, kasi it's fall season here. And this coming December, January, February is a winter time here in California, in the US. So we have 4 seasons here, you know? Winter, spring, summer, or fall. Ayan, may kanta tayong ganyan. So there are 4 seasons here in the US, guys. So ayan, guys. Thank you, Waymo. Thank you, Jaguar car. Thank you so much. Look at that. Parang hindi ka makapaniwala, no? Na may sasakyan na walang driver.
I know.
And here it is. Talagang kuritan ko man ang aking sarili. Ayan, talagang nararamdaman ko. So it's really real, no? True. Look at that. The people crossing along the road. Wow, look at that. They are looking at us, no? Okay?
Looking at the car.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Looking in the car without a driver. They can't believe it. See?
1 minute to drop off.
1 minute. So, hindi ko na i-off para makita nyo kung yung kailan kami bababa dyan. We still have 1 minute before our destination. See that?
Safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks. The second opens the door.
Na ano
Don't forget your phone, keys, or wallet.
Aray,
There are
nagpapaalala
no
ko.
drop-off options.
Bakit binuksan mo?
Hindi, isarado mo. Pwede mong sarado pagtapo. Ay, magbababa na tayo. Sasarado natin ulit.
Hindi ako nagbukas.
Yeah, pwede naman kayo.
Anak, pwedeng hindi? Okay. So, they open it. The car gives us the instruction on what to do before we get off the car. See that?
Wow, tinan mo yung dumadaan. Huminto rin siya,
Oo.
Huminto si Waymo.
See? Talagang very high-tech tayo, no? So, thank you, San Francisco, for allowing us to experience
Finding a
this.
spot to pull
Oh,
over.
wow, you're here
Dito na
now.
tayo.
See? Nak, ang aking,
Yeah, you can open your car.
paano ko ano ko na, open ko na na?
Yeah.
Exiting.
Okay, thank you, Waymo. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you, bye.
Bye, Waymo.
Bye, Waymo.
Bye. Baka mas...
Bye, Waymo.
May baso.
Bye. Ang likod.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye, Waymo. Bye.
Tapos meron ka nang iwan dun. Sabi ko,
Ay, naiwan niya.
Thanks for watching, guys. Okay? Nakita nyo na, no? At least na-share ko sa inyo ang aming experience dito sa San Francisco, California within 4 days. So, we spend our Thanksgiving here. And then now is the birthday of my daughter, Madels. And now we're going to the Imperial Spa.
Yeah, we have to find it.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Look at the leaves of the trees. Bye. Mwah, mwah.